What if I told you that we could build a structure so massive it would encase the entire sun? A mega structure that could power billions of civilizations for trillions of years. Sounds like a science fiction, right? Here's the shocking part. Top scientists are actually working on it. But could we really build one around our sun? Or is it just a fantasy cooked up by dreamers or fiction novels? The idea of Dyson sphere came from theoretical physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960. He didn't imagine a solid shell around the sun, that's impossible. What he proposed was a swarm of solar collectors, satellites, habitats, and energy harvesters orbiting the sun in a vast cloud to capture its energy output. Let's be clear, a solid sphere would collapse under its own gravity instantly. But a Dyson swarm, that's theoretically possible, and that's where the real science begins. Every second the sun emits 3.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power 26 watts of power. That's over a trillion times more than all of humanity uses. And if we could just capture a fraction of that, we would have enough power to run an advanced Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale, a level of progress where humans control all energy from their star. It's not about luxury, it's about survival. If we want to spread across the star, a Dyson swarm is our launchpad. Now the question is, can we build one? We would need to mine asteroids, Mercury, even parts of the moon to gather trillions of tons of raw material. And then we have to build self-replicating robots to construct and deploy millions of solar satellites in orbit. It's the biggest construction project in the history of the universe. And ironically, it might not require humans to do most of the work. But even if the tech is possible, that's the catch. A poorly designed Dyson swarm could fall into the sun, or worse, redirect solar energy and accidentally fry parts of Earth. And here's the terrifying twist, you might already be seeing Dyson spheres out there. Some star flickers in bizarre patterns like KIC 8462852, also called Tabby's star, that some astronomers seriously considered might be a Dyson swarm in progress. And if we ever build one, our sun is the perfect candidate. It's stable, it's middle-aged, it emits constant energy. But to build it, we need to breakthroughs in AI, nanotechnology, space robotics, and material science. Some estimates say it could happen in 1,000 to 3,000 years if we survive long enough. So, is it science fiction or slow motion inevitability? The sun may be powerful, but how does it stack up against the two giants of the galaxy? In our next video, we'll reveal the comparison of sun with the other stars, and the results will completely rewire how you see your place in the universe. Tap into the cosmos, hit subscribe, and don't miss the sun versus the other stars. How does it compare? And I'll meet you in the next video.